Alright, here we are. Back in the Tam cave. Must be nice.
What do I have?
The AC unit.
Oh.
Alright, we gotta move Tam's car sideways like this so we can step out from the garage and get an outside perspective, making sure when we mount things that it's even and we don't make any mistakes. So nice. So now we can step back, and when we mount the fender flares, we'll be able to have a visual and make sure that it's even and not all lopsided.
Oh my god, look at the fucking webs over here.
The spider webs.
Like, why are you building more? Like, just use your same web.
Use your same web. Be productive, spider.
Like, it's building like 10 nests in the same way.
You might be a little low on air.
Where?
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 What? When? What size is this again?
10? 10 days?
10 J's. You guys see that? And then that spider right there with its eggs. So just keep spinning it because I feel like I'm doing nothing right now.
Yeah, that's what I felt like. I was doing nothing for a second.
I'm like, am I doing this right? Yeah.
No, you spin the whole thing.
Not if you have muscles.
How much torque pounds did you produce?
How are you going?
To the max.
That's from spinning the shock. Dude, it's so chubby.
What the fuck? It's like just like swollen right there.
But dude, that one, your freaking left hand. Oh my gosh. Well. He said, I'll be done in 10 minutes, 30 minutes ago.
Put up the text message.
Yeah, we'll put up the text message.
When the chef be cooking,
And then look
the
at the
kitchen don't
time.
stop.
Yeah, what time is it, Tam?
1:16.
Daddy was cooking.
You gotta see Tam's forearms or his arms.
Like,
What happened?
just twisted. Twisting the shock.
Damn. Hell yeah.
It's swollen.
It's swollen.
All right, let's
I think
see.
we all deserve a smoke break, too.
You just got here.
How much do we want to go?
I think it's a quarter in. Oh, that's for the transmission.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's probably about normal.
Stupid.
Average.
My jack is stuck.
Oh yeah.
It's on the jack.
This doesn't really look like SpongeBob from memory. What did I do wrong?
Ooh.
It does not look like him though. he had a nose.
Does Randy have a nose?
Does
See, he's shaking his head.
he doesn't
no.
have a nose? Okay, but you can tell that's Randy.
No.
No. Yep. And then we're gonna go over the top of this. Yep. Just round it over that. Then we push in and then up.
There you go.
Got it?
Yep.
Cool.
Oh no,
yeah.
no, it wasn't the right one.
Just to kind of like wedge it on. Where are you, child? Let through my pile of nuts and
This one.
bolts.
There you go.
Oh my god. Yes.
That's the bumper bolt.
Yes.
The precious.
I found another one if you need another one.
Oh, look at her. Like, now she's just showing off at this point.
Well, I guess we can save that for team car because I took one.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're good.
Nice. Sideways so the bubbles don't get too under the bubbles.
That's the technique.
It's not because
There's no technique.
that's all wasted. Now.
No, it's not.
Alright, just like so.
Yeah.
Around there. Okay, so I'm gonna mark around the top so I can make my cut. Just everything on the inside of it.
Tam ends up cutting all of that.
Just on the inside of it. On the inside. From here out. So yeah. So like on the other side too, when you hit this one, get it? Literally just go. Like just go flat into it. So next is we check the side steps and then continue to trim those.
Looks pretty good.
I would. 'Cause so that way it'll sit as far up. Probably the one that takes massive shits in the front yard.
Honestly. Yeah, you! It's you that takes the shits, isn't it? Look at him.
It's actually me. I take shit, girlfriend.
Alright, pull it out. Pause. Rinse and repeat?
Yes, sir.
I don't like rinse and repeat. That's so not my thing.
Making progress. Making bacon. Making bacon pancakes.
Okay, if this isn't the most guy thing ever. So, John's previous work shirt combo gave out. he's like, whatever, I'm just gonna get this like old shirt. Right? Okay, hold on. Look at me. Turn around. If that right there isn't the most guy thing ever, and the fact that he's been wearing this for like a couple days now, and he still hasn't noticed.
Is it button wrong? Is it the wrong button?
No. You really don't see it?
Ah! God damn it. No! I thought I got all of them. I saw the little circle one this morning, you know, as a little like, okay. And I was like, oh fuck, I still had that one? Damn it.
That's funny.
Yeah. You don't have a rear view mirror anyways, you're okay. Oh yeah, you do.
My lord. No, wait.
Your lord?
My
Oh, yeah.
stand lord.
Oh, you were talking to me for a second, you know?
Not my lord.
Yes? Oh, the fuel. Whoa. Whoa. Y'all see that? It's proof. Previous spec.
Make sure it's in neutral. Shit together, right?
They're combined together to create this ultimate trifecta. Your children are gonna be smoking this.
Done. Send it.
Send it. Oh shit, with the Prius. Damn.
So here we have Aubrey joining us. She finally got a coverall. She will be working on her car, on her Cressida. She also has the Hero bumpers, just like Tams, the front and rear, that she'll have to be working, as well as some Hero side steps and some fender spoilers. But if she wants her car to be ready for Nonsuri, she's got to put in work. So
Weight life lesson. The higher the collar, the more bangs.
it already looks pretty cool, and we still have a lot more to put on the car. So super excited for this too.
Me too. That's it. Done. Send it.
Okay.
Touch me on.
Yeah.
They sit inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Red shell.
Right now the brakes are better than C or V. Just crazy.
Making sure it's even all the way across.
I think I went to. Oh no, I don't think they're okay.
Sammy, okay with you?
Has J420 ever come forward? Like, who the fuck is J420?
Leave it. Let us know. Who is J420?
And
Where?
what did he tell JWoww?
What did he tell JWoww?